Hi guys, Dorota Palicka, International Nail Artist and Educator here, and we are at the Manchester Central where the Professional Beauty North take place. I want to invite you inside so you can have a wee look yourself too. So just follow me. The entry is free, you have to just register for your tickets and then you can enter here. The boys will welcome you in and then you will scan your badge so you can see it. And also look at my nails! You can also grab the free copy of the Professional Beauty magazine. That's the organizer of this event and it's packed with lots of useful information here. For those of you who are entering those kind of shows first time, you've got a very useful floor plan so you don't get lost and you can find the company you would like to see it. There is lots of aesthetic products and machines in here, you can see that. And what is even more amazing, you can get a free trial of the treatments and you can see how the products works. That actually looks very relaxing.
Hi.
Hi. And look at that. This is awesome. I should do one of them too.
A nice cooling mask.
Yes, absolutely. Yes. So this is the most amazing part of attending those type of shows, guys. You can get treatments done yourself and you can see it how the things works. This one is even better. Look at this. Can we have a shot as well? That will be super cool. I need to remember the name for it so we can come back later on, guys. Let me see what else we've got in here. Fantastic. So business and digital skills, I think this is very useful, education for everyone running a salons to learn those kind of skills. There are 2 or 3 actually stages like this where you can attend free demonstration of the nail art by different nail technicians and also the specialists in the field. So definitely worth to visit those kind of stands. Let's see what else we've got in here. That looks so pretty, absolutely amazing stand, and look at this unicorn, it looks so cool.
Now I'm going to break it up and make it a little easier.
And another demonstration going on in there.
Look at social media all the time. I get so angry with TikTok educators, and I just watch them go with a massive B from the cuticle. Like I said, there's no gold star, there is no blue Peter badge. If you can do it in one B, well done.
The only downside of it is the acrylic smell. You can feel it definitely in this stand. That's so amazing brushes here. I love the fact that you can guys touch the things, you can try it before you buy it. If you fancy getting your hair done, you can try it in here. And now we are just running into quieter corner. We try to pick up the one of the quietest time to show you the things, because sometimes the hall can get really packed with lots of people everywhere. And I will show you also where the competition takes place.
You're looking at
So on your right hand side you can see there is a judging booth in there. Mine right. Mine right side you can see the judging booth. Cameraman, you always destroy everything. Okay, big kisses to the cameraman. He always goes with me everywhere. So that's where all the hard work is happening. The girls are competing in here. You can see the boxes for this year. Absolutely amazing. And even something more amazing, I'm gonna show you the prizes, guys, so just go with me. And to look at those beautiful medals and trophies, like, wow, this is so pretty. So if you have never entered the competition, but you're thinking about entering one, you can also drop me a private message and I can help you get through those step-by-step, where to register, where to search for those kind of information, because it is lots of fun and absolutely amazing experience. Later on, there will be an announcement of the winners for this year, Professional Beauty North winners. I hope you have really enjoyed this short video from today, and I will be seeing you tomorrow as well. Bye!